Good evening, everyone. Myself, Saif Khan, and I am here today to present presentation on the topic incident response. Okay, so we will go to a series of contents here, and I would like to show you the topics which I am covering in this presentation. As you can see, these are my contents. First, I will give you the introduction about what is the incident response. After that, I will cover security incidents, working of a incident response team, the technologies which are using for incident response, and one example I would like to give, and lastly conclusion. So first we will go to incident response. So what is a incident response? इंसिडेंस रिस्पॉन्स मतलब देखो अभी सिंपल भाषा में बात करते हैं क्या कि कोई भी एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट या कोई भी ऐसी घटना अगर हो गई, अब वो हो चुकी है, यू डोंट हैव एनी चॉइस कि भाई चलो कुछ करो, उसको कैसे आप करोगे, उसको रिकवर कैसे करना है आपको. ओके, सो उसके लिए जो प्लानिंग है, जो भी आपकी चीजें आप लगा रहे हो वो मैटर करती है. सो इफ अगर वैसी इंसिडेंट्स वापस से अगर होती है तो आप उसको कैसे प्रोएक्टिवली प्रिवेंट कर सकते हो. ओके, so this is all about incident response. Now I will move to the next slide, which is security incidents. Security, what is security incidents? It is a security event in which there is a digital breach or any physical breach through which your confidentiality, your integrity, your data has been leaked or been hacked by someone. Like अभी अपने बोल सकते हैं कि भाई मेरा FB का आईडी किसी ने हैक कर लिया, ठीक है. तो ये आप समझ गए. अब इसके अंदर टाइप्स ऑफ there are incidents like ransomware, like phishing and social engineering attacks, DDoS attacks, supply chain attacks, and insider threats. Okay, moving to the next slide, which is this chart. This is cool chart where you can see that what are the security incidents like malware infection. It covers virus, worms, trojans, ransomware. Then phishing attacks are there, email phishing, spear phishing, and data breaches, which is called hacking and accidental exposure, insider threats. And let me give you a cool example of insider threat. Have you all watched Jamtara series?
Yes.
In that series there is a scene कि एक बंदा होता है, उन लोग काम क्या करते हैं, वो लोग फिशिंग का काम करते हैं, ठीक है. अब उनको क्या होता है कि हाई प्रोफाइल लोगों का नंबर चाहिए होता है ताकि वो उन लोगों के साथ फिशिंग कर सके. So what they do, they contact a company person who is working in a big company, okay, where investors are investing their money. So वो क्या करता है, वहां से उनके फोन नंबर्स निकालता है और कुछ पैसों के लिए उनको दे देता है. So it is a type of insider threat. And upon doing data analysis and all, they come to know that कि भाई ये अंदर का ही बंदा था जो सारी चीजें लीक कर रहा था. उसके बाद क्या है, DDoS अटैक्स आप देख सकते हो, insider threat जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, फिर unauthorized access किसी ने ले लिया. Okay, and then lastly social engineering attacks. Okay, then moving to the next slide, which is working of incident response team. अब इसके अंदर क्या होता है ना कि एक incident response plan बनाया था, like a team, a group of people, and they are creating a team. In this team there are several people, like the team is called computer security incident response team. अभी इसके अंदर कैसा रहता है ना कि इसके अंदर ऑफिसर्स रहते हैं, IT पर्सन रहता है, HR रहता है. Okay, they together make a team, and after making that team, they are sharing each other's experience that we have gone through this attack, and upon that experience, upon doing various researches, they are coming to a conclusion that if this kind of particular attack is happening, then you can prevent it from by using these attacks. Moving to the next slide, which include the steps. The security solutions where software, hardware, and other technologies which are necessary are installed, like installing antiviruses, doing software patches update, by keeping regular check, by doing monitoring. Okay. Moving to the next slide, this is the modern incident response life cycle, where you can see that this is a period of intensity where detection and identity of the particular incident has been done. From that they contain it, they study it, and if it is harmful, then they eradicate it, and after that the data which has been lost, they try to recover it. And this is, and after that the lessons which are learned, it is distributed to all the people in our company, so that they can be proactively prevent that type of attacks. Next is these are the technologies which are used for incident response. Like we all know about SIEM. It is used for collection of security data and analytics purpose. We also know about SOAR, which enables the security teams to investigate about various type of incidents. Then we have EDR, we have UBA. UBA plays a very crucial role. एकदम यूजर का बिहेवियर क्या है, if मतलब यूजर करना क्या चाहता है, so from that you can come to know what threat is going to come next. Then moving to the next slide, this is the example. We all know about that KD हॉस्पिटल पे एक ransomware अटैक हुआ. अब वो ransomware अटैक के बारे में क्या कि साइबर जो अटैक हुआ उसने क्या किया था कि जो हॉस्पिटल के जितने भी लोग थे उनको सारी सर्विसेज यूज करने से ब्लॉक कर दिया था, लाइक सिक्योरिटी कैमरा, पेशेंट फाइल और द ट्रांजैक्शंस एंड ऑल, विच इज अ वेरी सेंसिटिव डेटा विच शुडंट बी लीक. बट उनके पास एक क्या था कि उन्होंने अपना बैकअप पहले से ले रखा था. एंड एज पर रिपोर्ट्स जो अपने हैकर थे उन लोगों ने $70,000 मांगे थे इन बिटकॉइंस. सो इसी तरह के इंसिडेंट्स बहुत सारे हैं. आप आसपास देखो तो हर जगह आपको एग्जांपल मिलते हैं. हमको क्या करना है कि इनसे हमको सीखना है और इसको अप्लाई करना है. अगर हम जानेंगे तो हम इसको बचा सकते हैं. देन दिस इज द कंक्लूजन. तो फाइनली कंक्लूजन में ये है कि आप through incident response and studying various things, you can find loopholes in your own IT infrastructure. You can manage the things like you can prevent cyber attacks in future. You can also determine which gateways are there through which a cyber criminal can enter in your company, so that you can close it or you can give solution to it. So that's all. These are the sources from where I have made this PPT. That's all. Thank you so much.